Today we are cooking with Dr.Steamfox. I'm gonna make some ramen. The first thing you're gonna want to do is add your water, and then you kind of measure it. I like to use my finger. I'm making 2 packets of ramen, so I like to go right about there, halfway between this knuckle and this knuckle. I don't think it's there yet. A little bit more water. Double check that. Yeah, that's about right. That should be good for 2 packets of ramen. I like mixing my chicken with my beef. I don't know why, it just tastes good to me. I like it that way. I like to take the flavor packets out and throw them into here. I don't know why I do this way. I just like it this way. Now for the next one, take it, make sure it's all in the bottom, and then you toss that in there. See, comes out nice and pretty. Hi, Persephone. Such a pretty kitty. She's so soft and so sweet. Persephone. Persephone. Hi, kitty. Pretty kitty. And when your water starts boiling, you go ahead and throw your bricks in there. Ow. The noodles are about al dente right now, and I want them a little bit past that, but just a little bit. I usually like to get them broken up a little bit, and as soon as they're broken up, like loose, I like them just a little loose. This is a little too much water, so I might pour some of the water out before I throw it in with the seasoning. But yeah, I get them to right about here. See, they still have some stiffness to them. I don't know, you probably can't tell, but I'm poking them. I can feel that there's some stiffness in the noodles still. That's about the time I turn the heat off. So, yeah. And the last step is to put some of the water in there to make the broth, like that. Oh yeah. And then you drop the noodles in there, just like that. Ojimashimasu. Onegaishimasu. And that's ultimate gaijin ramen. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat this. Have a good day.